food, prepping for party, so still got a lot to do. I received some feedback regarding our duet for the as we begin to decorate, right, RJ?
It's true. It was hideous.
Yeah, my poor sister said she had to turn down the volume. I thought it was pretty hilarious, but yeah, I think we're fired. So here is all the stuff. Here's the cat. He wants my attention. Let's see. Okay. You want me to watch you eat. Please let it be that you want me to watch you eat, not poop. He loves this thing. He always drinks from that stream there. Okay. There you go. Gonna show me how you eat? Oh my goodness, you ate a whole bunches. Look at that. Yeah. Oh, it's not fresh enough for you? Well, it's gonna have to be. You're gonna have to wait an hour. You ate a lot, huh? Come on. There you go. Find the right place for the food or whatever. He does this all the time. He has to find the right because it's not fresh enough for him. I don't know. We give him fresh food every day, twice a day, 3 times a day actually. All right, have fun. So, got all my linens that I washed. That's what I do when, just in case to get rid of any dog fur, as much dog fur as possible. And what's been really nice is that I've had a little bit of time to do some DIY stuff that I normally don't get to do because most of the time it's just trying to oh, why did I do that? Ah! Anyway, so I got this at the dollar store. And so I'm going to work on this, add a little more pizzazz to it, and put that outside. That'll be something for the outside. And I have this wreath that I'm working on. I have these gorgeous flowers that I'm hooking in, and I'm hoping to use this. I'm hoping to try to figure out how to incorporate all this in it and make a giant... Oh yeah, and then I made these snowflakes. So it doesn't look really good on camera, but it's much prettier. And let's see, can we get it? Yeah, see, you can kind of see it. Anyway, so that's the progress report for the party. Our Maggie had fun with the cardboard boxes. She is the grande dame of destroyer of boxes, but very, very excited about our party. So that's what's going on so far. The storm before the calm, or whatever you want to call it. See that right there is a wreath I made. I can't wait to show you guys. I'm very excited. It's my first wreath. I've never made wreaths, so I'm excited about that. And Maggie is staring out, making sure that any small, under the size of chihuahuas do not allow themselves to be in this area. So she's working on doing that. Kitty, I saw you. Where'd you go? So as per usual, everything is chaos. Like I said, I don't put linens stuff on until the day before because you have pets. I have pets, so you know how that goes. Very excited. So this is Thursday, November 29th, I think. And yeah, looking forward to it. So I just wanted to give you a little update on what's going on around here. Looking forward to getting everything all set up. We're gonna hang ornaments from this vaulted ceilings, kind of just have it scattered on the ceilings. I can't wait. I think it's gonna look amazing. So that's gonna be beautiful. So yeah, obviously away from these blades there.